All right, traders, testing 1, 2, 3. Everybody can hear me okay? Fantastic. Let's get right into it. How many trades do we see here to the short side? Today's Thursday. 1, 2, a third. What a great opportunity. I always say when you have multiple methods
Order filled.
telling you to go short or to go long, in this case it's short. Let me just add what I just did here. There you go.
Target filled.
This is how we want to trade. See the signals? You get in, you get out, small targets based on the average true range. It doesn't have to be complicated. I think the most important part is to know when to trade and at what price. I have here the Ninja Trader charting platform. Let me show you the TradingView charting platform. All right, this is the TradingView charting platform. I have the roadmap up right now. I'm going to remove the roadmap. I'm going to add the roadmap right over here so we can focus on that. So here's that trade here on the TradingView charting platform. Remember, when you see multiple short signals in a row, that's your opportunity. So whether you're trading TradingView or you're trading Ninja Trader, in October 2025, this is the most recent opportunity that we have live on the Sonic system. All right, traders, here is another opportunity, another short trade. You know, I love to see this. How much money can you make? $100, $200, $500 on every trade. It's possible. Just be careful with the risk to reward ratio. We teach this during our live trading room as well as the one-on-one training we have with the Sonic system. Now, if you're part of the accelerated mentorship class, remember to join us on Fridays for the one-on-one sessions. We're in the money. This is the fourth trade or fifth trade in the row. What a nice little trade right here. Look at that. Now, I've already taken 4 trades this morning. I'm already up for the day. There's no reason for me to continue trading. I think that over trading is not something that we should do, but just to show you another beautiful opportunity to go short. Here's the stop. Here's the target. This is a great little 2 or 3 point trade to hit the target. Love it. Absolutely love it. If you have any questions, if you'd like to get the Sonic system, we have bonuses that are included and we have a discount. Take advantage of the discount for a limited time. Visit daytradetowin.com and I'll see everyone at the next video. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.